Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to make an image link in Webflow. First, open your internet browser and head on over to webflow.com. All you need to do this time is to follow these two steps. The first one is you need to drop a link block on your Webflow. And then after that, you will need to drag an image over it, making sure that you have selected the link block while dragging the image to it. And also make sure that your image is inside the link block. And after that, you can link any block on any link and the URL, then you'll be able to publish it. And whenever someone clicks on the particular image, they will be redirected to a particular URL. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.